Hello, teacher. Today I am going to talk about dangerous and safe hobbies. The most dangerous hobbies bands are firefighter because you sometimes have to enter burning buildings and face smoke and explosion. Another dangerous hub is construction work because workers often clean high structure and use heavy machines. And finally, paramedics also have a risky job because they must help people in emergency, sometimes in unsafe place. On the other hand, some jobs are not dangerous. For example, banks and accounts is safe because you usually work in an office. Transit is also safe because you spend most of the time in classroom, and software developed are safe too because they only need a computer to do their work. In conclusion, some jobs are very risky, but others are safe and comfortable.